CSUSB prepared me for my PhD at the University of Oregon by giving me the tools I really needed to have preparedness for such a high-stakes program. They've given me like the practical knowledge on how to implement study and make a change. And they've given me like the courage to really push through and get my PhD and strive to do better. The way I got involved with the VR lab at CSUSB is I took an internship with Dr. Mihaela Popescu my first year in my grad program. And we were doing some research and gathering research on virtual reality and like XR and our extended realities and augmented reality and all that. Later, published that paper and got a lot of recognition from it. That's what sets CSUSB apart from like my other choices, was that when I was looking at those other choices, they were all like theoretically based, right? It's like, oh, just do this, just do this. But here at CSUSB, you can actually do it, right? They don't just say like, well, if you think about it and then write a paper. It's like, no, we put it to the test and we actually make these things happen. Not a lot of schools have like an innovation lab, right? Like the XRO lab. A lot of them don't really have the money to make these types of things actually happen, and we do here at CSUSB. As a grad student, what I've accomplished, I've been published so far for my concepts of enrolling and derolling in virtual reality. I've been to many conferences, some international conferences, established a study that's being used at another university for another research team. I've got like about 20 grand in grants and scholarships so far. If I didn't have my faculty, I don't think my research would be anywhere near what it is now.
I have to emphasize that it's not my success necessarily or Shane's success. He's the product of a culture of mentorship, and there have been several faculty who invested a lot in Shane and helped him along the way. So it's more of a collective success.
We have a thing that we call her like Mihaela's mind blows, right? Because she just like blows your mind with like all of these innovative things that she talks about, and she can make it happen, which is great, you know? So I think when I think about all of these ideas and all of these things that I want to do, I have faculty that's here to actually make them happen.
He told me that he was accepted by Oregon. This is where I teared up. I'm like, yes, this is it.
So if I had to do this all over again, I would choose CSUSB because you're able to like really put your ideas and make them happen.